guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video actually wasn't planned, but it just so happened I just came back and actually went shopping to the supermarket, but then I ended up going to other places. So most of the items that I'm unboxing, well, yeah, it's an unboxing video pretty much, that I'm unboxing is from Five Below, but I also got some stuff from BJ's. So I guess I'll do it in a particular order, not really. So the first thing is actually from BJ's. So if you are a BJ's member, because I know some people are BJ's, Costco, whatever, but BJ's, you know, it's a wholesale club. So if you're a member, you get the coupon book however they send it, whether it's monthly or every 2 weeks, however, but you always get those coupons. So they actually had a coupon for the Yankee candles. Now I never tried Yankee candles. My sister wanted a Yankee candle, but I was like, we might as well buy two, because you know why not use the coupon. The coupon was buy one get one half off. So I actually never tried any Yankee candles, but I know from experience that I've heard that Yankee candles are expensive. I think the original price was $12 for these Yankee candles. She got me the lovely lavender. I do like lavender smells, so we'll see how it is. But yeah, so this candle is huge though in comparison to like my other candles. I think this is the biggest candle. I'm trying to use my candles again. I would use it sometimes, but sometimes I forget to turn it on, and I had to kind of clean my candle warmer. So I'm definitely going to use this though. It's kind of good for stress relief, for me at least, especially if I have the lights on all day most of the time, and then I'm always looking at the computer and stuff like that. This kind of like just having that aroma smell kind of gives me a calming presence. So anyway, this is the Yankee Candle Home Inspiration Lovely Lavender, and it comes in this jar. I'll show you guys a close-up of it. It's huge though. To be really honest with you, I don't think it's bad. I can understand why it's $12, because it's a huge jar and it's a glass jar to begin with. It smells really good, not too strong. So I do have another lavender candle, but that one is really strong. This is like just the right amount, not too strong, which I like. So, and this is the inside of the candle, just purple, my favorite color. So of course, hence my wall and all that. Okay, so that is that. Everything that I purchased from Five Below. Now, one thing I added in this bag is not from Five Below, so quickly. I did buy some command strips from Michael's, and I'll explain why in a second. I'm trying to, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I'm trying to reset my background. So I did have the brown background, but I took it down because I don't know, I get over stuff quickly, and I wanted to just make my background different. I did add some new signs, if you guys noticed, but I have some more. I just didn't add it, or I just didn't know where to place it. But I went to Five Below. I'm promising you, I wasn't looking for these stuff, but I feel like stores like Five Below, Target, those places, like, they just suck you in and they make you buy stuff that you like, do I need this? So the reason why I got the command strips, though, I always buy command strips because I like them, because it's easy to hang up. And also I'm kind of happy that I found the command strips, because I had this board that I used to use. If you watch my older videos where I like had signs up, so I'm happy I bought this, because I'm going to actually put that up there just to make the background look more aesthetically pleasing. I feel like as I grow into YouTube, I'm always trying to do different stuff. So that's why I got these. And these, they said it's damage free, which, I mean, I think it's gonna just make sure, like, I don't know if you ever tried command strips. Normally when you take them down, it kind of rips off the paint. So I'm hoping that these don't. But my goal is to keep the background that I create. As you see, I got my plant, my artificial plant, of course, here, just make a more aesthetically pleasing background. But yeah, so these are just adjustables. I normally got the white ones. They had the long white ones, but I didn't get those. I got these, the adjustables, they call them. I've actually never tried them, but they're like colored, and I hope they work well. I mean, they all do the same thing, so it should work. And it has a little clip, which is easy to hang. So yeah, just regular command strips. If you had them, I've used them a lot of times, especially when I went to college for a year. Like, that's all I use, like the command strips to hang up, like stuff like that. So okay, so that's all I got from Michael's. Now onto the Five Below stuff. So I got a few things from Five Below. So since we were talking about the command strip stuff, I guess I'll go to start with this. So I thought this was so cute, and if you guys know, I like to be organized first of all. So when I saw this, I was almost going to pass it by, but I said this is cute to add. So I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but pretty much it has each day. So as you guys know, I do have my planner that I use, but this is also nice because I can actually put each day. What I'm planning to probably do is kind of just write each week on here. I'm not too sure. Like, okay, for example, it's May, put the dates, and then write something, just one thing or something for me to remember, whether it's filming content or whatever the case may be, as a reminder. That's probably what I'm going to use this section for. This section is blank. I'm not too sure what I'm going to put here as yet. And then here is notes. So there's a note section, and then it also comes with one of these, so if you want to stick it. So by the way though, this is called the erase message board. So like this is good too if you're a person who wants to have positivity affirmation. And it comes with 2 magnets and 1 marker. It's the 3-tier chalk and quartz message board. So yeah, I think this would be nice, and I could write on it. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, these have the dates. This is just the middle part. I'm still kind of confused what this is for. I think you could put a picture on here. I'm going to try to figure out. I'm not too sure. But this needs to be for something. I just don't know what. And then this is just, it says notes and things. So I thought this was really cute. So can't wait to set that up and use that. Okay, the next thing I have is a diffuser. So I've been back and forth with buying a diffuser, to be honest, because I've gone on like Amazon, and then I don't know if you guys do this, but like I always try to reach that 25 limit so that I could get that free shipping. So I was going back and forth between different diffusers. I ended up not buying a diffuser from Amazon, but I got this one. It was $5. It was like, okay, I'm caving in buying a diffuser, because for a long time I actually wanted to get a humidifier, and I thought I purchased a humidifier, but it's all good. Like, I just wanted something good for, I don't know, sometimes you just need like something good for just the overall aroma, just to help you sleep well, and also just to be stress free. Like, all of this is about self-care. Sometimes we just need that self-care and stuff like that. So this is a wood grain diffuser. I've actually never tried a diffuser, but I know it's self-explanatory. Mine's is actually LED colored light, so I think that's cool. I can change the colors on it. It's the wood grain diffuser, color changing LED, and it says Aroma Diffuser, instruction manual, USB power cable. So I think I have an idea of where I'm going to put this. My idea is most likely going to be to put it in this section. You guys can't see what I'm talking about, but like right under my TV I have like an area that's blank. I'm just going to clear that out, and that's probably where I'm going to put my diffuser, because then I can actually get the aroma to get into this part of my room. So, you know, as I'm sleeping, or even if I'm not sleeping, I'm just chilling or whatever, I can have a nice smell. It says transform any space into your own private oasis. Pairs perfectly with the room 2 essential oils collection. So separately, it's USB powered, so no batteries are required. And I think it's perfect, like I said, to put it here, because I actually have like a connection, like 2 USB connection cords that I normally use here, or 3, I think, whatever. But on my my setup for my TV, so it works perfectly that it goes right there. And yeah, so should I unbox it for you guys? Let me open it for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. I notice sometimes I don't open stuff for you guys, but you know what, since we're showing everything, might as well just open it. This isn't an unboxing. I need a sizzle though. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I definitely plan to use it. After I clear up this area, I'm going to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, because this is an unboxing over after all. So I feel like I'd be a bad person to do a haul and an unboxing and not actually show the product. So, because who knows, somebody might want to try it. Honestly, sometimes Five Below has some good deals that you can't sleep on. Alright, so it says room to room wood grain diffuser. Like I said, USB cord comes in, and there's just the instruction manual. Then when you open it up, oh, so I expected it to be a little different, but I like it has more of a plastic feeling. I thought it was gonna be like wood, hard not wood, but it's more of a plastic wood. It's not too, I don't know if you guys can see that. So this is what it looks like up close. And I think I just spin it, and then I guess you put the oil in here. This one is kind of dirty though, like gotta clean that first. The inside of this part is dirty, but nonetheless, and I will read it. And then the USB plug charger piece is right here, so I can't wait to try that. And I find the links for everything. I probably will find it on the site online. I will leave it down below if anybody's interested, because for $5 you can't beat that. Everything $5 and below, that's why it's $5 below. Although I think some stuff in $5 below, if I'm not mistaken, it's a little bit over $5 if I'm not mistaken, but majority of the stuff is always $5 or under. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so I think I have, oh, since I was talking about the diffuser, I'm just going to take everything else out so I don't waste time. So since I was talking about the diffuser, I actually got 2 oils. So I might also borrow some of, like when these are done, some of the oils I bought my sister. Anyway, so in $5 below they only had 2 oils. I saw this is the Rise and Grind Grapefruit and Rosemary. I might try this one first. So this is what it looks like. And then the second one that I got is the same brand, no, this one is Take It Easy, but it looks like it's from the same brand, but it says Take It Easy. Patiucholi, I think that's how you call it. Patiucholi and cedarwood essential oil blend. This is going to be an interesting smell. I never tried this before, but honestly, this haul is becoming I think this haul is pretty much self-care now. I just realized majority of the stuff I got is self-care. Okay, next thing. So this is really interesting. I was in the aisles, and so I thought this was really interesting. So I did see the Freeman mask, which one of them that I tried. Oh, I don't have it here. It's in my shower. But I did see I actually purchased the big size only because I wanted my sister to try it out and see if she liked it. So I did get that too, but I don't have that. But this is the Freeman, back to this. This is the Freeman Silky Legs Hair Removing Clay Mask. Now I'm very interested in trying this because honestly, sometimes it's just annoying to use shaving cream. So I want to see how this works. And yeah, just thought it was interesting. And I like that it's in the tube. And also, like, you know, with the regular shaving creams, the things get rusty. So the one I bought last time, and I believe it was from, no, it was from Dollar Tree. Yeah, after a while it got rusty. They were like, it's rust free. It wasn't. But I like that this is compact because it's in the easy sealable thing. You just close it when you need to, and that's it. So yeah, it's hair removing clay mask. So this should be interesting. So show off your gorgeous skin with hair removal clay mask designed to exfoliate and smooth skin. White teeth, bentonite, and kaolin clay. I've tried those products, but for my face. Help purify and rejuvenate skin while the mask gently removes hair for legs that are touchably soft and silky. So it actually says, smooth the mask over clean dry legs. Do not rub in. For best results, leave a thick, even layer on the skin surface. Wash hands right after applying. Leave on for. So from what it looks like, they're saying you don't need to use a razor. So this should be interesting. But yes, I'm saving this to use. Not yet, but I'll use it soon. And this is what it looks like up close. Last but not least, so I actually got I had one before, but it wasn't really mine. But anyway, this is a Vanity Mirror. And I've been saying, like, I always need, like, because I'm always holding the mirror in my hand, but I always was saying I wanted a mirror, like, if I'm doing makeup or something like that. The only issue is me being that the distance from the mirror to myself, but I'll figure it out. But this is a Vanity Mirror. I think it's good too, like, even if I'm not doing makeup on camera, this is good for if I'm doing my hair or something like that. Even if I'm doing a hairstyle too, this would be good because I wear glasses, so I can be able to, at least probably not for a makeup look, but for hairstyles and stuff like that, I can be able to put it like over there, and then I can glance to see what I'm doing from afar if I'm doing my hair. But yes, I thought it was cool. So it's a LED smart touch sensor, 16 powerful LED lights, battery operated on and off switch, and it's by the company Urban Butterfly. And this also has a stand on it, so I think this is really cool and compact as well. If you don't personally, like I think I mentioned before, like if you personally don't have like a vanity type of desk or something, especially like even if I don't use it here, I can use it in my desk over there. Let's say I want to sit down and apply makeup, but I don't want to hold the actual, ooh, I just ripped it the wrong way. I don't want to hold my mirror, and sometimes also that mirrors too, sometimes I'm like squinting at it. This is a huge size mirror, so I can, a full size mirror that I can actually see. And just to show you guys up close, you guys know what a vanity mirror is, but this is what it looks like. I like this. Yeah, it's really big screen size too, and I could take some good pictures. I'm getting ideas, you guys, of things I could take. And then if you go in the back, so like all vanity mirrors, and then it has the back, so I can just snap it down, and then it will hold it as a stand. Now Barbie needs to be, I wonder if it has any light. No, it doesn't. I have to put the batteries for us to see the light, and I don't have the batteries on me right now. I would have to go find them to put some in. The only thing I would say is I have to be very careful because it's kind of tight, and I feel like if you pull too hard you might break it, so I'm going to be very gentle with that. But yeah, I'm already getting fingerprints on it. But yeah, so that concludes my Five Below Michael / BJ's haul. Really mostly Five Below. I will leave everything down below. As you guys can see, I just realized most of this stuff is beauty related. Just to recap, I got the candle, I got the diffuser with the oils, I got the shaving cream thing, I got the like chalkboard thing that I could write with, the command strips for that, and what else did I get? Oh, that was it. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, you subscribe, what their favorite thing or your favorite item was in this haul. What are you interested in me letting you guys know? Because I know sometimes I do hauls and people are like, oh, I want to see this, and sometimes I'm bad in kind of coming back and tell you guys. That's why if you do comment and I actually happen to use the product, I'll comment down below like, I like this, if I never come back and kind of give you guys a whole review. Also, like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the notification bell, and the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post. And I always forget to say this, but follow me on my social medias, linked down below. And you all see at the end of the video, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, because that's where I'm most active. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.